أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم وانفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا آمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters here. How are you all? Assalamu alaikum. Let's keep this an interactive session, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Hope and pray that you all are well and good. Excited for the first day of the session, inshallah ta'ala. And best state of health and iman, inshallah. May Allah keep us all in His protection. Hifz and aman. Ameen. Summa ameen. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Barakallahu feeki. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, I welcome you all onto this journey of designing like a pro with Mishal. So, Alhamdulillah, we are onto the day first of the session. Welcome to the very first class, very first day. And very first thing, dear sisters and brothers, thank you all for enrolling to this wonderful program. Wonderful program, inshallah. When I say this is wonderful, dear sisters and brothers, take it from me to be wonderful, inshallah. It will be wonderful. It will actually be worth it, inshallah. You're going to invest your time, inshallah, or you're going to invest your efforts, inshallah, into a very excellent, very excellently trending skill, inshallah ta'ala, that is called as graphic designing, right? So, alhamdulillah, why are we here, dear sisters and brothers? We are here to learn graphic designing with a software that is very easy to use, very powerful design tool, which we have already mentioned that we are going to use a software named as Canva, inshallah, through which you're going to make your designing to another level. You're going to take your designing to a pro level, inshallah, through the mastery of the Canva software. Inshallah, you're going to learn to design like a pro, inshallah ta'ala. So come on, are you all excited? Let's all keep this session interactive, inshallah. Kindly be more interactive so that we will learn through interaction, inshallah ta'ala. So inshallah, in this course, dear sisters and brothers, you will gain a mastery on the software known as Canva, and inshallah, you will be able to create stunning content, eye-catching content, inshallah, all by yourself, inshallah ta'ala. So come on, one frequently asked question I want to address. What was it? It was actually like a few of the students have asked me that if I am a beginner, I do not have any technical skills. I do not have a handy experience with the smartphones or the PCs. How can I crack this software? Dear sisters and brothers, even if you are a beginner, remember that. Even if you are a beginner, you can just create like a pro, because you just don't have to be more creative. Like, you just don't have to have hundreds of skills in hand or something like that. You have to have a perfect design tool that will help you to design like a pro, right? Yes. So alhamdulillah, in this course, you will be provided with a pro software to which you can design like a pro, inshallah. So what keeps our course apart from different from other courses is that in this course, you will be provided with a pro software, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah ta'ala. So you'll have so many hosts. I mean, so many Canva hosts who are providing these courses. But dear sisters and brothers, they won't be taking it in an angle that we are taking it. We are giving this an Islamic touch as well, inshallah ta'ala. So alhamdulillah, inshallah. So to begin with day one, inshallah, I just wanted to clarify to you all that even if you are a beginner who has a very little knowledge on smartphone, you can easily crack this software, inshallah, and you can start creating the masterpieces with this software, inshallah. So do not worry, I'm there for you. Inshallah, I'll be there for you throughout to help. Again, welcome aboard. I'm Mishal with you. I'll be your host for next 15 days, inshallah ta'ala. I'll be there throughout on this journey of designing like a pro. Okay? Alhamdulillah. So let me introduce myself to you first, because probably you all might be curious to know whom you are taking this knowledge from, whether I'm eligible to be projecting this to you, right? So Alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, let me just introduce myself to you first. I am a graphic designer by profession. By profession, I'm a graphic designer. I'm a YouTuber, dear sisters and brothers. I have various YouTube channels as well as I'm working for various YouTube brands. And Alhamdulillah, I'm also a software engineer turned graphic designer that you can say. Alhamdulillah, I'm also an online tutor. So Alhamdulillah, I'm a professional photo, video editor for various YouTube channels. Some of the channels are mentioned here. I have been working on these channels for from so many years, Alhamdulillah. Nurul Quran, Reminder, Nurullah and Noor, Your Sister in Islam, and few more. Al Quran Hayati, Creation of Creator, and some more, EDU-SITE, and more. So I have been designing the flyers as well as the videos, dear sisters and brothers, for various channels. For example, I am a graphic designer for various Jamiyat projects as well as various supermarkets. I have been creating sales flyers, the banners, and more for the various supermarkets, the shops, and more. Alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers. So this is a small introduction about myself, so that you will get to know from whom you are taking this knowledge from, right? So Alhamdulillah. And also, dear sisters and brothers, I am an online tutor. I take up the mathematics, English, as well as computer science, as well as English tutoring for the students from various countries, USA, Australia, India, and Alhamdulillah, Saudi Arabia as well. I'm a software engineer, as already told. I have been taking up projects and working for the clients as well. Alhamdulillah. So now, dear sisters and brothers, I am a host here. I am here as a host for you all, host with you all for the course named as Design Like a Pro. Alhamdulillah. I have launched at least 15 to 16 courses by now. Alhamdulillah. I have launched separate courses for photo editing, separate courses for video editing, separate animation related courses. And Alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, this course named as Design Like a Pro is a top hit. It is a top hit. Why is it so? Because we have clubbed all of the three things: the photo editing, graphic designing, as well as video editing in this. Alhamdulillah. So, dear sisters and brothers, this course so far is a top hit, as it is a comprehensive, intensive, and all in one course. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. So, dear sisters and brothers, I am here as a host for you all for next 15 days, inshallah ta'ala. So, you are going to learn so much throughout these 15 days, inshallah ta'ala. Are you all excited? Are you all excited to be on this journey with me, inshallah? Alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, we had at least 500 plus students so far who have learned and excelled through this graphic designing course, and they have started to design like a pro, and also they have started to work as a freelancer. They have started to volunteer their skills for Dawa projects. They have their own YouTube channels, their own Instagram handles, Instagram Islamic accounts. Some of them are working for the Dawa projects, and Alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, with a spirit to do something, inshallah. Let's all begin today's session with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hope you all have seen this flyer, right? So when you just entered into the course, you were given this flyer, right? So let's begin now. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, dear sisters and brothers. Can you all tell me what is this? It is graphically designed flyer, right? Yes. Hope you all have seen this course flyer, right? On which it was mentioned that you are going to learn graphic designing, you're going to learn video editing, you're going to learn photo editing. It's all in one course, inshallah ta'ala. So, alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers. So I just want to introduce you all to a term known as graphic designing. Can you all just mention to me what comes to your mind when you just think of this term, or when you just go through this term named as graphic designing? What is graphic designing, dear sisters and brothers? Let me just introduce you all to the graphic designing, the term known as graphic designing. What comes to your mind, dear sisters and brothers? You know, it's actually creating something from the scratch. Yes, it's designing all by yourselves, right? Without even what we say, without taking something from someone or something like that. We are going to design. We are going to put up all our skills on our visual, right, on earth, so that we can visualize the content, right? We are going to create the visual content in which we are going to add some textual feel, some background, some elements, some art. Yes, excellent. Colors should be there over there, text should be there. What more? We have to add some labels there, some of the things like bordering there, some more beautiful enhancements there. Yes. The graphic designing is creating everything from the scratch. I'll give an example. I've just written it. I'll just read it for you. Graphic designing is art of projecting the ideas. So what do you want to first have when you are going to graphic design something? For example, dear sisters and brothers, okay? For example, I just thought of creating a course flyer. Now I should have an idea. So this is a blank page that I have in hand, okay? I have in hand a blank page. Now there is something called as an idea in my mind, okay? So to create the course flyer, what should I start with? I should have a beautiful layout. So I just picked a beautiful layout and I just added some borders to it. Then what should I add? I should add a textual content. This is what I added, textual content. Then what should be done? What is important, necessary for the course? I have added it all. Then what it should be done? It should be more emphasized and more colors should be added to it, more bordering, more backgrounds, more images, more elements, more colors using the color wheel, more text and more. It should be more readable, more what we say, more. It should maintain a quite of good of alignment, quite good alignment and more, right? Alhamdulillah, this was a perfect layout and a visually appealing content which is communicating something with you, right? Yes, this is a finished product that we did. This is called as graphic designing. Just this much, dear sisters and brothers. Isn't it easy to just look at? Yes or no? We just got some idea. We just added some beautiful background, created, made some alignment, good alignment, then added some colors to it, some borders to it, some labels to it, and then this is a finished product. Doesn't it look good? Yes, this looks very classy. Now come on, I'll show you another example. For example, I have in mind that I'm going to create a quote flyer. For example, I'm creating an Islamic quote. Okay, what comes to me first is I'll just grab a quote, right? So for example, behind every smiling face, I just want to write a quote. Behind every smiling face, there is an untold story of sabr. Okay, this is the quote that I have in mind. So what I'll do first, I'll write the typography. First, I'll start with typography. Then I just added a smiling face there. Then I just wrote the content. Okay, the content that is left out. There is an untold story of. Then there is something called as sabr. I just wanted to write sabr. I wrote it in Arabic. I just wanted to make it a bit different from others. So sabr, I wrote it in this one. Then I made a path from here to there. I mean, behind a brief smiling face, there is an untold story of sabr. And then I added a logo there. Yes. Then this is how I added the colors to the design. And this is my finished product. Did you all like it? This is called as a graphic designing. What is it all called as, dear sisters and brothers? You're going to create something from the scratch. Okay? From the scratch. Inshallah, you're going to learn it all. Learn this skill of graphic designing in this 15 days program. Do not worry. Even if you're a beginner, you will inshallah crack this very perfectly. Okay? Inshallah. Are you all excited to learn this skill? Yes or no? You can play with colors. You can play with colors, something like this, inshallah ta'ala. I'll show you how you're going to do that as well. Okay, the next skill that you're going to learn, yes, sisters and brothers. Okay, I told you this is a 3-in-1 program in which you're going to learn graphic designing. You're going to learn how to make everything from the scratch. Okay, second thing, you're going to learn photo editing as well. Probably you have seen the photo editors. What do they do, dear sisters and brothers? For example, you are giving them a photo, okay? You're giving them a photo of your own, and you want to change. You just went to them and asked them to change the background of this photo. I don't want the background. I want me sitting on I want me on the river side to be changed to some other place. That is called as photo editing. Do you all know? Can you all just mention to me now what is photo editing? You're going to manipulate the photos, right? So what is photo editing? The second skill that we are going to learn, inshallah. You're going to manipulate and enhance the photos to the finished product. How are you going to manipulate them? You're going to add colors, retouching, removing the backgrounds if you want, adding the backgrounds if you want, adding something to the photos or something like that. I'll give you a simple example. Just look into the screen, dear sisters and brothers. Come on. Okay. This is a pic. Okay, for example, take that this is a pic from the client. The client has given to you, and they want you to remove this background. Okay, and they want you to add this. I mean, this is your client. Okay, the client has offered you that you're going to photo edit them, and they have asked you to remove the background and add this background instead of the background that was of the seaside. Okay, how do you do that? Okay, it can be done within seconds using the software that we have, that we'll learn inshallah ta'ala. So this is the finished product, dear sisters and brothers, that I did within a second. Within a second. Okay, take it from me, inshallah. You will be able to do that very, very, very easily, inshallah. Are you all excited to learn this second skill, the photo editing? And also, I enhanced the background. Can you just see what did we do? We manipulated the photos. We manipulated the enhanced the photos, right? What did we do? We also removed some of the content from there, right? What did we remove? We removed this background. We added to this. We added the client. For example, it's the client's image. Okay, we added it to some other place, and we have enhanced the image as well. So this is how you're going to photo edit, inshallah ta'ala, and also you will learn this excellent skill of photo editing. Okay, the third skill that you're going to learn, dear sisters and brothers, is video editing. What is video editing? Can you all just mention to me? Yes, please. I just want you all to be more interactive, inshallah. Photo editing. You know, photo editing, we just learned now. You are given the photo already, you're going to edit it, enhance it, manipulate it. That's all. Video editing is the same thing. You're given the video footage already, you're going to enhance it. Yes, you're going to enhance it. You're going to rearrange the videos. You know, how are the films made? How are the Bollywood films made or Hollywood films made? Whatever it is, how is it made, dear sisters and brothers? They actually have the footage in hand, right? They actually have the captured footage in hand. They start to rearrange it, right? They have already captured footage. They rearrange it, they trim it. They actually have it in, for example, the footage that they actually have shooted up on their device will be around 9 to 10 hertz. They sit back and trim it. They cut it, they add transitions to it, they add audios to it. Yes, they shorten the duration of the videos. Yes, excellent. They add the effects to it, they add the filters to it, and that is called as video editing. And that skill, inshallah, you all will be able to learn through this course. So this is the third skill, dear sisters and brothers, video editing, which is the process of manipulating and rearrange the video shots to create a story of your own. Inshallah, you're going to learn trimming, cutting, adding transitions, effects, and audios to the raw footage. So this is one of a kind video that I'm just showing to you how you can. This is a very simple video that I've made within 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, this was made, because, dear sisters and brothers, the software that you're going to have in hand is called as a software Canva. And that software, dear sisters and brothers, take it from me, it is a very, very, very excellent design tool. Okay, I have been using Photoshop. I have been using so many different softwares, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, so actually, many of the graphic designers nowadays, even the Photoshop users, are switching on to the Canva. You know why? You know why? Because the time is actually reduced here. Time is actually reduced here. Time of what we see, a time of getting the finished product is reduced here. So why waste time or energy on the software that will be very difficult to use? We can just use this very easy, very excellent design tool in hand. Okay, so alhamdulillah, this software, inshallah, we're going to learn in upcoming sessions of the 15 days of this course, inshallah ta'ala. So who can learn this course? Anyone? I already told you I wanted to address this because this was a frequently asked question, because I'm a beginner. I don't know I can how will I crack down with this software. This was a frequently asked question, dear sisters and brothers. So here we have you. Even if you are a beginner, you just don't have to have hundreds of skills in mind or something like that. You have to be getting a beautiful design tool which will help you to design beautifully, right? So inshallah, you will be provided with excellent design tools. And inshallah, dear sisters and brothers, even if you are educators, for example, if you are a teacher, if you are a student, this course will be very, very, very excellent choice for you all. Why is it so, dear sisters and brothers? Because you all be able to create anything that is educational content, any educational content, you all be able to create this with this software very professionally, very excellently, inshallah. And also, dear sisters and brothers, even if you're an entrepreneur, for example, if you have your own startups, if you are looking for a graphic designer or something like that, this software that is in hand and this course that is in hand This will provide you a excellent kickstart. You can start with the sales banners, you can create your own banners, you can create your own what we say the what we the shop outlets for the shop for your outlets. If you want to create any banners, the flyers or something like that, you will be able to get to these, dear sisters and brothers. And also, dear sisters and brothers, even if you are a marketing professional, if you have to market some products, you will be able to crack this down, inshallah. And if you are a content creators, if you want to create the content for your YouTube channel, Instagram stories, or whatever, dear sisters and brothers, this course will help you in ways that you will not imagine, inshallah. So if you are a freelancer, if you are looking to use this skill of yours to provide service for your clients, this is an excellent choice. Remember, I'm a freelancer as well. I have been working for the various organizations, various supermarkets, various outlets, and alhamdulillah, I've been earning a very handsome amount. And alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, if you are seeking creativity, this course is the ideal choice for you, inshallah ta'ala. So come on, what is the scope? Can you all just mention to me what is the scope of this graphic designing? Where and all do you see graphically designed content? Everywhere, right? Everywhere. Take it from me, everywhere. The notebooks that are lying in front of you, the computer screens that are in front of you, the tab screens, the smartphone screens, whatever screens you have in front of you, everything is graphically designed. The apps that you have, the app logos, or whatever, dear sisters and brothers, everything is graphically designed. The notebooks that you have in hand, any product, for example, you have a product in front of you, the logos over there, the sales banners over there, or the packaging of the product, everything is graphically designed, right? Yes, for designing the logos, for branding materials, for providing advertisement, the ads that you see on the computer screens or on the internet or on the TVs, on the packaging, whatever you see, it's all graphically designed. The website, the user interface, UIs, you will be able to see your smartphone device screen. Everything on the Instagram is graphically designed. Everything on your social media is graphically designed. Every poster that you see here and there is graphically designed. Every video is graphically designed. The brochures and everything, dear sisters and brothers, that you come across is graphically designed. Hope you have understood what is the scope of this skill, right? Yes, alhamdulillah. So, dear sisters and brothers, why are you going to learn this skill? Is nothing but to just start over start over expressing your creativity, inshallah ta'ala. And also, if you are into the content creation, then inshallah you're going to learn the skill to create the content very beautifully. And inshallah, if you are with the personal projects, if you are having any projects for your schools, for your dawa projects, or if you are a tutor, if you are a student, or whatever, dear sisters and brothers, this skill will be very helpful. And if you are a brand building, for example, if you want to create your own identity, if you want to create your own branding, if you want to create your own entrepreneur, if you're an entrepreneur, if you have your own outlet, if you want to create your own branding guidelines, if you want to create your own what we say logos and stuff, inshallah, this will help you in ways that you'll not imagine, inshallah. And also, you will have the career opportunities after this, inshallah. You know, in your among your relatives or someone or anywhere among your relatives, your sisters and brothers, you will be having someone who wants you to create the flyers or something like that, who is in need of the graphic designers. And inshallah, you can be their graphic designers after taking this course, inshallah. Not only after this course, just in 5 to 6 days into this course, you will see that how easy this course, how easy this skill is. And inshallah, you will be able to just crack down through this course very, very easily. And above all, dear sisters and brothers, I have mentioned the last point here, the dawah works. Dear sisters and brothers, inshallah, you will be able to even serve the deen of Allah through this course, because this is the thing that we as a Muslim or a Muslimah look up to, right? Because we yearn to seek pleasure of Allah the Almighty in everything that we do in this world, right, dear sisters and brothers? Yes, no? We look for the ways through which we can gain the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? Yes, alhamdulillah. How can we do that, dear sisters and brothers? How can we earn pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? By learning this course. Yes, you can use the skill for the sake of Allah, right? You can use the skill for the dawah projects. You can use the skill to make Quranic reminders. Yes or no? Yes, right? Subhanallah. Yes, alhamdulillah. So we are with a greater purpose now. We are not just with the purpose to earn. We are not just with the purpose to learning the skill. We are with the greater purpose now to use the skill for the sake of Allah as well, inshallah ta'ala. So come on, you just have to make these three intentions now, inshallah. Throughout this course, we'll be making the intentions each and every day so that Allah will accept it from us. Because hope you all have gone through the hadith named as innamal a'malu bin the deeds are judged based on your intentions. So, what is the first intention that you all are going to do, dear sisters and brothers, is that I am learning this skill to educate myself with this skill, inshallah ta'ala. Please intend that you're going to educate yourself with this skill. Inshallah, through your designs, you're going to educate the ummah through the skill. The second intention that you're going to make is that you're going to use the skill for the deen of Allah, for the sake of Allah, and not against the deen of Allah, inshallah. So please make an intention that you're going to use this skill, use this talent, use this ability for the sake of Allah, inshallah. Because, dear sisters and brothers, we are in a high time that this world is in need of the light of the religion al Islam, right? This world is in need of the light of Islam, right? Yes, sisters and brothers. So, inshallah, let's all be the beacons of knowledge to the world, inshallah, with this skill in hand. And third thing, you're going to earn rizq halal through this course, inshallah. You're going to create the content and earn handsome amount through this course, inshallah. Every day you're going to learn tips and tactics how you can earn through every skill that you're learning each day, inshallah. So this is also a source of reward. Hope you all know that earning rizq halal is a source of reward, inshallah ta'ala. So to earn rizq halal is also a source of reward, which will inshallah will be through which you can develop your career, inshallah, dear sisters and brothers. And alhamdulillah, with these three intentions, dear sisters and brothers, we hope that we can earn, we can use this skill, we can earn rewards throughout this course just by rectifying our intentions, inshallah. So please rectify your intentions, set right your intentions now, inshallah, that we are going to learn the skill to educate ourselves, to pursue our career, and to use the skill for the sake of Allah, inshallah. So, inshallah, the time that we are spending through this course, dear sisters and brothers, we are expecting that we will earn rewards while we are learning, inshallah. Please expect from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that you're going to earn rewards while you're learning. Every second that you're spending, inshallah, the 1 hour that you'll be sitting here watching this app or working live with me or practicing live with me, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah, you will be gaining rewards if you have just intended, if you have just rectified your intentions, inshallah ta'ala. Excited? So this would be our intentions each and every day, and we are going to begin this course, the entirety. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Come on, please recite the name of Allah before we begin. Hope you all know any work that is begun with the name of Allah has barakah in it, right? The blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in it. Subhanallah, yes. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. With the blessed name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, let's all begin expecting barakah in our affairs, inshallah. So this would be our prerequisite so that Allah puts barakah in our time, in our effort, and our skill that we are learning. We are just not wasting our time here. We are going to learn an ilman nafiya. We are going to learn a knowledge that is of benefit, dear sisters and brothers. Every second counts here. Every second, inshallah, we want to turn it into the rewardious time, inshallah ta'ala. So I welcome you all again, dear sisters and brothers, to this journey to be more productive with your smart devices. The smart devices that you have in your hands, dear sisters and brothers, till now you have been using it to watch various things. For example, you have been watching the content that is on Instagram as reels. For example, you're just consuming the content, dear sisters and brothers, right? You're wasting the content, consuming the content that is present on the Instagram reels or Facebook feed or something like that. Now, dear sisters and brothers, it's high time that you are going to create something of your own, inshallah, something for your own, inshallah ta'ala. So, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah, let's all learn how to be more productive with our smart devices from now on and next 15 days. I just want you all to be more active for next 15 days. More, inshallah. I just want you all to be more engaging in the classes as well, inshallah. I just want you all to spare this 1 hour each day for next 15 days, and inshallah, you will be able to learn a very excellent skill, inshallah. So, are you all ready? Let's all begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So we are into the day 1 of this course and we are going to begin. Bismillah. So dear sisters and brothers, very first detail, the course detail. 15 days you will be having classes, all 15 days inshallah. Inshallah, if we want, if we can, we will take a leave on Sunday, or else we'll have it all in next 15 days. Okay. And this is the timing, yes, sisters and brothers, 3:30 to 4:30. 1 hour exactly will be taking the class, and inshallah, if you want to extend, we'll extend it till 4:45. Okay. So, and also, dear sisters and brothers, you will learn it from the scratch. You will learn it right from the software downloading till the branding, brand building, and brand document or something like that. Okay, so do not worry, you will learn it all in this course. Fine. So don't, you just have to spare your time, you just have to listen carefully as well as live practice with me, because this is a skill that you're learning and you just need lots of practice with this skill, inshallah. And yes, sisters and brothers, if you have missed some amount of class, I mean some duration of the class, then recordings will be available on our YouTube channel, inshallah. I'll be sharing everyday recordings with you all. So do not worry about that if you have missed any content, any duration of this classes. Okay, hope this is clear. Okay, inshallah. So this was a frequently asked question. If I miss some part of the class, then will I be getting the recordings or something like that? Yes, you will be provided with recordings. And one more thing, dear sisters and brothers, please listen carefully. The live experience is must and it is excellent. Okay, live experience. I just want you all to be present live in the class, because you can just clarify your doubts here and there directly into the session. Okay, so please be present in the live class. Okay, we have students who are not able to make it, so we just have we'll just be providing with the recordings for them. So do not worry, if you have a dire need and you cannot attend, then only you are spared from the live session. Fine. Okay, but you have to try to attend the live session, inshallah. So come on, dear sisters and brothers, these are the things that were mentioned in the flyers. I just felt a need to mention it all, that you're going to learn all of these things: the designing of the logos, notes making, the documents, the presentations, the flyers, the CVs, the certificates, letterheads, business cards, marketing flyers, the banners, event invitations. You're going to learn how to make the wedding invitation cards. You're going to make videos, inshallah. You're going to make animations, inshallah, to this course, inshallah. So these are the things that are mentioned here that you're going to learn through this course, inshallah. So what is the requirement of this course? This was also a frequently asked question. Do I need a laptop only? Do I need a smartphone only? No. You can have any device, whatever you want. If you want smartphone, if you prefer using the smartphone, well and good. If you are with the tablet, well and good. Laptop, well and good. No problem. Do not worry. This software. Okay, what makes the Canva different from other softwares? Yes, sisters and brothers. It is that it is present on both smartphones as well as the laptops. Okay, you know the Photoshops and all, you cannot access it on the smart devices. So most of the graphic designers are switching from the Photoshop to the Canva. Okay, because it's a very powerful and very excellent design tool, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, inshallah. So you'll learn through this, inshallah. You'll learn how you'll just crack down through this, inshallah. So now, what is the software used? As already told 10 times, more than 10 times. So dear sisters and brothers, we are going to use the software named as Canva, inshallah. Now, just a quick activity now. Open up your devices, whatever device you have in hand. For example, I just want you all to have two devices in hand. For example, if you are with a smartphone, take a laptop for live practice, or if you are with the laptop, take a smartphone for the listening to the session and practice on the laptop. Fine. Come on. Or else, if you have two smart devices, that is well and good. For example, take your sisters or siblings or a parent's cell phone, and you just can watch the class recording on their cell phone, and then you can practice live on one cell phone. Okay, come on, will you all try this up? I just want you all to be ready with the two devices, please. Okay, that will be well and good, because if you minimize the screen that is being put up here, it will be actually difficult to catch up, dear sisters and brothers. Please try to maintain two devices, take two devices in hand, so that you will be able to have the live practice as well as listen to the session, inshallah. Okay. Now, with the very first thing, probably you all have gone through the software before, or you already have downloaded this app before. No problem. We are going to do this activity now. Come on. If you are with the Google Play Store, if you are with the what we say App Store or whatever, I just want you all to open up the software, open up the Google Play Store or the App Store, and type Canva there. Come on, dear sisters and brothers. C-A-N-V-A. If you're with the laptops, I just want you all to type www.canva.com. Okay. If you are with the laptops or the smart devices, I mean the PCs, come on, just type www.canva.com. And if you are with the smart devices with the Google Play Store or the App Store, come on, dear sisters and brothers, I just want you all to type Canva, and I just want you all to download the software now. Okay, please do it along with me. Okay. So why are we going to use the software is already I told you 10th time before that we are going to use the software because it is a very excellent design tool. It's a very user friendly, and also there are, okay, this is a very excellent choice, dear sisters and brothers, that you have in hand. You have millions of templates. Templates are the pre-designed frames that are already put up by the graphic designers in the Canva software that you can use very easily. Okay. For the softwares, for the free software, free version of the Canva, you will be having access to, for example, 2 million templates. Okay. But for the pro version of the Canva, you will be having 15 million plus templates. Okay. Inshallah. So dear sisters and brothers, this is excellent choice if you are having the pro version of the Canva enhanced. So this is a millions of templates you will be having access to, and also there is a library of graphics. You'll be having different elements and more. You will be having hundreds of fonts. It is accessible both on PC and mobile phones. I already said. So this is the software. This is why we are going to use the Canva software. And dear sisters and brothers, I just want to compare with free software as well as pro software, because in this course you are being provided with the pro software in hand, inshallah ta'ala. So you will be getting the pro version or the premium version of the software named as Canva, inshallah ta'ala. So these are some of the features that you will be getting in hand if you have the a pro software. For example, if you have 400 free templates over there, 400,000 over there, you'll be having just the 200K free templates and something like that. Okay. So these are some of the differences that is mentioned in hand over here. You can just go through, and inshallah you'll be provided with this. This is also some of the, what we say, the plans that the Canva has to offer. Probably some have switched on to this plan. It's better if you are following with us, dear sisters and brothers. Like we are just having a team of the pro version of the Canva, and inshallah you can just get added to the team, and inshallah we'll work with the team together, inshallah ta'ala. So this is the plan that we have that is on the Canva. But alhamdulillah, inshallah, with this course, you will be provided with this Canva software free of cost, inshallah. So dear sisters and brothers, today's lesson would be that you're going to install this application, inshallah. Are you all ready with the installation? If yes, kindly type done. If you all have installed the software, kindly type done. Alhamdulillah, barakallahu feeki, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, if you are with the laptops or PCs, you don't have to install this. www.canva.com is sufficient for you. If you want to install the application on the laptops or PC, then you can install it over there as well. We prefer using it on the browser itself if you are with the laptops. Okay, so alhamdulillah. So next thing that you will be asked is the sign up screen, right? Yes. So this is the sign up screen that you'll be having. You can continue with the Google account that you have with the email ID, or with the Apple account, or with the Facebook, and continue in any other way. Just wait here, dear sisters and brothers. When you're just continuing with your account, I just want you all to note your email ID and just drop it into my email, drop it into my WhatsApp, inshallah. Can you all just note your email ID that you are signing it into the Canva? Okay, please sign in into the Canva and note the email ID and drop it on my WhatsApp, the same WhatsApp number that you have used for registration or registering into this course, inshallah. Please note your email ID, login email ID. When you are with this page, dear sisters and brothers, if you're continuing with the Google, I just want you all to note the email ID, type it, and send it on my WhatsApp. That's all. Quick activity. This would be a homework as well. If you cannot do it on the live session, you can do it after the class. Alhamdulillah, I've received 1. Very good. Excellent, dear sisters. 2 emails. Barakallahu feeki. Okay, with this email ID, I'll be providing you with the pro version of the Canva, through which we actually have a team of education through which we are going to have the access to the pro version, inshallah. Alhamdulillah. Okay, how many months will it take, dear sisters and brothers? We are we actually stick to giving this access to you for 6 months. But inshallah, when you are losing the if you lost this I mean the pro version of the Canva for after 6 months, then you can just ping me. We will give you free of cost the Canva pro version after 6 months as well, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, whenever you feel that you have lost the access to the pro version of the Canva, you can just get back to us, and inshallah you will be gaining the access again. So twice you will be able to gain access through the pro version of the Canva. Inshallah ta'ala, it will be around 10 months or 1 year. You will gain the access to the free version of, I mean, the pro version of the Canva, the premium version of the Canva through our course, inshallah. So 1 year, inshallah, you can enjoy doing your pro projects and designing like a pro. Okay. Then Alhamdulillah, Barakallahu Fiki. I have received 10 plus. Barakallahu Fiki, mashallah, dear sisters and brothers. Alhamdulillah. So if you are not possible, if it's not possible to send the email ID now, you can send it after the class. Okay. If some of the students are listening this through the recording, kindly drop it on my WhatsApp number is mentioned here, 73329485. Just drop it on my WhatsApp, inshallah. Okay. So again, this would be the difference between free and pro version, and inshallah today we are going to just get more friendly with the software, because we don't want to just start with the what we say start with the actual editing page or something like that, because that would be a bit more complicated. So today we are just going to take everything lighter, inshallah. So dear sisters and brothers, today we are just going to overview the home page of the Canva, so that we can just get friendly with the home page, inshallah ta'ala, with the interface of the Canva. Let's get friendly with the interface of the Canva, and from tomorrow we are going to start with building up projects, inshallah. From tomorrow we are going to start with the introductory designs. We're going to learn some theories, some designing principles, inshallah. So be excited to learn some excellent terms, excellent topics of graphic designing, inshallah ta'ala, from tomorrow's session. And today it was a totally introductory session, so inshallah I'll just show you through the home page of the Canva. We are going to just overview the home page, and it's not possible to overview the editor page, so inshallah we'll be overviewing the home page of the Canva. And I just want you all to be ready with the 2 devices, inshallah. This would be the prerequisite for entire 15 days, inshallah, dear sisters and brothers. Make sure that you are with the 2 devices, inshallah. Okay, make sure you're with the 2 devices, and 1 device to listen to the class, second for the live practice. If you do not have separate devices, one important thing is that you just need a book to write down. You have to listen live session. Okay, you have to listen the live session, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, alhamdulillah. So come on, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, so remember, this is the frequently told thing in my entire sessions, dear sisters and brothers, that this is a skill that you are learning. It is not as bookish knowledge. For example, it is not a mathematics, it is not what we say, it is not science, or it is not chemistry or something like that. This is not a bookish knowledge, dear sisters and brothers. This is a skill that you are learning. Okay, skill needs practice. So it's not just studying that you have to have here. Okay, not you don't have to, you should not at all study this skill. Okay, you are just going to practice this skill. Okay, so this is a skill that you're learning. Please practice it. Okay, next 15 days, just spend 15 days of your days, dear sisters and brothers, of yours, and you just can master this skill very excellently, inshallah. So just want you all to practice to attain perfection in the skills, and to learn to design like a pro with the skill, inshallah ta'ala. So alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, let's quickly head on to the session with a quick screen sharing, and inshallah I'll just show you the Canva interface. If you have in hand the browsers, if you are with the smart devices, if you are with whatever, the laptop screens or the tabs or the iPads, come on, dear sisters and brothers. The very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to head on to the Google Play Store or the App Store, and you have downloaded it already, and alhamdulillah you have signed into the Canva, and this is the logo of the Canva that you have in hand, right? Yes, this is the logo of the Canva. And dear sisters and brothers, if you want to try it with the browser, you have the browser, whichever browser you have. For example, if you have the browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, the Safari browser, or whatever, you can just type in www.canva.com, and this is the screen that you will get into. Okay, so this is the screen that you'll get into. Or if you are with the application, you have this excellent application in hand. So this is the Canva application, and this would be your screen. Okay, so this is the home page of the Canva, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, this is called as the home page of the Canva. I'll show it with the Chrome browser, so that with the laptop users will find it okay to go with. Okay, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, So this is the homepage of the Canva. I just want you all to be a bit more friendly with this homepage, because from this, inshallah, next 15 days, you're going to use this interface, inshallah. So let's get used to this interface first before heading on to the actual editing with the Canva, inshallah. From tomorrow, we are going to head on to the designing, inshallah. Directly, we are going to step onto the designing. We'll just see this homepage, please. I just want you all to bear with me for next 10 minutes, inshallah, so that we'll just see some of the things that are essential for us, and then we'll just go head on to the I just want you all to try this, fine. I just want you all to explore everything on the Canva. Please explore each and everything that is here. Please just take your time to explore 10 minutes of your time to explore everything on this screen. It's not like you don't have to go here, you don't have to select this spot. No, you have to select each and every spot and explore what is it in here. Okay, please try this. Come on, this is the Canva home page, and come on the left side, dear sisters and brothers, you have a top bar there. Okay, when you click on this top bar, there is a 3 lines, right? Yes, this 3 lines. Okay, these 3 lines that are available, when you click on this will appear, correct? Okay, if you are the smart devices, dear sisters and brothers, you have it on the left side itself, right? And there's something called as plus in between at the what we say bottom of the page, and this is something like this. Custom size would be assigned from there, and over there this search button would be there. Over there you can just type whatever you are going to search, fine, if you have the smart devices, I mean the smartphones. Okay, so alhamdulillah, we are with the laptop screen now, so please match it up with your smartphone screen. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can just let me know. I'll help you to find the required tool on your smartphone. Okay, so alhamdulillah, when you just click on this, you will have where you'll have a 3 line in which there's hide and unhide button. This is a hide and unhide button, right? So it's a hide and unhide menu, right? So over here we have a Canva logo, we have the account here, right? This is our account, the personal account. You will be having the free account, and they'll show you upgrade it to the team. And dear sisters and brothers, if you want to get to know what email ID you have entered, it is over here on the left side, on the right side of the page, right top corner. Over there, when you just click on it, you will get to know what email ID have you entered over there, and you can just grab the email ID from there, fine. And then, dear sisters and brothers, this three dot button over here, you will have the first thing is a home page. It will take you back to the home page. This itself. This is the home page of the Canva. Next, there's something called as a Magic Studio, dear sisters and brothers. This is the excellent thing, the excellent addition that is being added to the Canva, in which you are going to learn some AI options. You will be having some excellent AI options, and you will be having magic edit options. You are going to have magic background removers. You are going to have magic grab tools. You are going to have magic, what we say, you have several magic options here, dear sisters and brothers. You can click on it and see what different things you are going to have, and all of this is for the pro users. If you are with the free version of the Canva, now you are with the free version of the Canva, right? You won't be having the access to all of these magic right, magic what we say, magic grab, magic edit, magic expand. No, you won't have an access to this. And inshallah, dear sisters and brothers, from tomorrow onwards, you will be having the access to that once you are going to enter the pro team, inshallah ta'ala. So the third thing over here is the projects that are here. Whatever projects you have compiled till now will be here, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, whatever projects that you have compiled till now, it will be over here, fine, inshallah ta'ala. The next thing, templates. Okay, what is a template, dear sisters and brothers? Can you all just mention to me what is a template in general sense? Template, yes. Okay, you know, in the with the sense of graphic designing, template is nothing but already pre-designed frames that are put up for you to use. Yes, it's a pre-designed layout. Excellent. For example, you know how to use this template. I already told you millions of templates are added every minute, every hour into this Canva. So for example, when you just have when you just write, for example, you want something like okay, you want something like you want to create a thumbnail for the YouTube. So you'll just write thumbnail. Okay, for example, if you want to write Islamic quotes, Islamic reminders, Islamic quotes, or whatever. Come on, just type and see how you will get an access to thumbnails. Just look into the screen, dear sisters and brothers. This is how you're going to get an access to the templates. And can you just see the templates? What are these? These are the pre-designed frames that are put up by the graphic designers. Okay, you also can be the Canva creator. You just have to switch on to their Canva creators account, and you can just be a creator, and you can earn through this as well. Okay, so here are some of the templates, the pro templates. This is here. After every one or two templates, you will be having the pro designs, which you have to, if you want to get access to that, you just have to pay for that, right? So inshallah ta'ala, dear sisters and brothers, after a day of, or inshallah from the next class, you'll be able to access even this pro templates that are in hand. Okay, inshallah. Just look into this, dear sisters and brothers. How many templates are here? I just entered Islamic codes. You have 20,000 templates in hand, pre-designed frames in hand. You can just create whatever you want by just customizing this template. You know, one important thing about templates is that they are free to use anywhere. Okay, for example, the pro is not free for you now, but when you are getting access for it after a class, inshallah, in tomorrow's session, you are going to get this access to this pro templates as well. It is free to use anywhere. You won't get any copyright claims if you just use it on your YouTube channel or anywhere, dear sisters and brothers. No copyright issues. The content creator won't come and ban your content, right? So remember, this is free to use, copyright free. One important thing about this template is that you can easily customize them to your needs. You can just customize them to your needs. You can be called an excellent graphic designer by just using this templates. Okay, remember that, fine, because you have the pro templates in hand, and you can just design like a pro with this templates as well. But that is not a topic for our day or for our sessions, dear sisters and brothers, because have we are going to learn to create everything by ourselves first, and then we are going to use the templates. Okay, inshallah. Okay, come on. So the second thing is done, the templates. Then we have the photos. I told you 5 million photos are free to use. You can just go to the photos and see high quality photos you have. That too, just see here. Now it is the addition, 8 million photos are there. Okay, 8 million photos are put up on the Canva. You can use it very excellently. You have free photos as well as pro photos. For every 2 to 3 photos, you will have a pro or symbol in hand, and you have a pro version of the photos as well. And inshallah, you'll gain an access to that in upcoming sessions. Okay. And there's something called as icons. It is nothing but if you want to add some of the icons to the designs, like the logos or something like that. The graphics, this is called as graphics. Okay, you can add it. Inshallah, we'll be letting you know when you're into the editing page of the Canva. Creators you follow, there are different content creators. If you want to follow them, you can just go ahead and follow the content creators and follow their designs, how they are creating, and you can just build your own way of doing. And there is something called as starred content. If you want to start up something you liked and you want to start it up, you can start those contents as well. Okay. Then there's something called as apps, dear sisters and brothers. This is an excellent tool. The applications, Canva has put up at least 100 applications on its frame that you can use. Okay, that you can use for free. Inshallah, you will be learning all of this. Do not worry if you find it a bit difficult. Do not worry about it. Please do not worry about it. And also, there's something called as brand. Inshallah, you will see how you're going to develop your own brand guidelines, how you're going to develop your own brand kit. What is branding? Inshallah, you will be learning in upcoming sessions. Okay. So this was about the left to what we say the navigation, or it is the top left navigation, right? Okay, alhamdulillah. Now we'll just see the top navigation bar. We just have a design spotlight here, and the design spotlight, everything that you can frame, that you can make, that you can create is put up here. Okay, if you want videos and photos to be created, you have the photo editors page, video editors page separately. You can just click on it and start creating the video editing, photo editing. If you want to remove the background, it's all in hand. This is what we say shortcuts. This is the shortcuts that are put up here. If you're just here to remove the background, you can just click on this and you can just start with the removing the background. That's all. So if you are creating the documents, if you want to create the documents, graphs of charts and all, you can just click. Okay, these are easy to get into designs. Okay, these are easy to get into the designs. They have mentioned it. If you click on it, you will be taken to the pages that are separate for creating the documents, separate for creating the presentation, something like that. Okay, printing, they have clubbed up all of the printing things here. Okay, what we say, whatever you want, whatever is there for printing, for example, business cards, invitation cards, mugs, t-shirts, whatever the topics are there about the printings, it is mentioned here. So these are the different landing pages that takes you that takes you to which you are going to use this Canva for. Okay, so for which purpose you're going to use the Canva for. So it's mentioned over here. If, for example, if you're here to just create the t-shirt design, you can just click on it and go ahead with that. Right? So this is what it is called as a design spotlight. So if you are just here to create the logos, you can click on it. You will get first you will get the templates on the logos, and then you can just start creating without the templates as well. Fine. This is just about the design spotlight. Then if you are here with the business, if you have your own Canva team, if you want to create your own team, if you are here for the franchise, if you're here for the sales, if you're here for whatever your sisters and brothers use cases, so everything about the business is present here. Fine. If you are here for the education, for example, if you're a school teacher, if you're a student, if you want to create if you want to create a teaching resource, if you want to create a case studies, if you are for the higher studies, so whatever your sisters and brothers, everything is put up here. If you are just for the education, you can just go ahead with this. And Canva has excellent presentation models and everything for the teachers. For example, if you would just want any lesson for a specific topic, for example, if you want a lesson for color wheel or something like that, you can just mention it and you will get the slides there for free. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. So next there's a plans and pricing. It is nothing but free plan, pro plan, teams plan. So I already told you there are different pricings. If you want to compare the pricing, there are different pricings that are mentioned here. For the Canva free is just no cost. Canva Pro is 4,000 per month per year, and Canva Teams is 4,000 per person for 12 months. And if you want to add additional members, then you have to pay some more things. These are the what we say. These are the plans and pricings. Okay. And if you want to learn about the various design tools, yes, sisters and brothers, it's over here. To learn about the Canva, if you want to learn how to design, there's a design school here. If you want to learn about some various aspects, these are some of the design options that are all available here. And on the top right, dear sisters and brothers, just see here whatever I already told you. If you want to see what teams are you in. Okay, tomorrow, inshallah, you are going to be added to EDU-SITE team. Okay, we have already 236 members with it. Inshallah, you are going to be added to the EDU-SITE team, which is a pro team, inshallah. So through this, you are going to gain the access. Okay, so I'll just with your email ID, I'll share the email invitation to this team. Okay, so when you just click on that invitation, you will be able to access this team features. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. Will you all be able to do this? Inshallah, you will get an email by tonight or tomorrow, inshallah. So remember, this is how you will switch on to it. I'll inshallah guide you throughout. Okay, do not worry about that. So now, how to create the designs? It's a separate topic. You just have to click on create a design. If you are with the smart devices, I mean smartphones, then you will be having it in the bottom of the page. You just have to click on plus button there, and these are the various options that you have. Inshallah, tomorrow you will learn these things. Okay, don't worry. We are not heading on to the editor's page yet. Okay, we are not going to head on to the editing. We're just going to get used to this home page of the Canva. Fine. So these are the options that you have. And if you don't find it here, for example, presentations you wanted, it is not over here, then you can just go through this one. On what will you design today, you can just type presentations or something like that. Or you have the quick access buttons here, whiteboards, presentations. I want to create some social media posts. For example, I just want to edit the image, or I want to create a post for the Facebook, Instagram, whatever. Yes, this and that is. I want to create a video for YouTube, for mobile, for Instagram reel, for YouTube video, or whatever. If you cannot find it here, just type it here. Okay, type it here, whatever you want, you just type it, you will get it here. Okay, and if you want to something like printing products, if you want to make flyer, if you want to make gift certificate, gift tags, everything is here. Okay, websites, if you want, even if you want to create the websites, you will be able to do through this, inshallah. I'll teach you even how to create the website through this as well, inshallah. So some more options like infographics, desktop wallpapers if you want to design by your own, book covers if you want to design by your own. Inshallah ta'ala, you will be able to do it all through this software in hand. As already told, dear sisters and brothers, you will be able to create the as small as the business card in your palm. Okay, in your palm, as small as the business card, you will be able to design even the smallest of the business cards to the biggest of the biggest banners that will be put up on the supermarkets or hypermarkets or somewhere, dear sisters and brothers. Inshallah, through this software, you will be able to create everything. Okay, are you all ready? Inshallah, yes. Are you all ready for the next 15 days to grasp more out of this? Inshallah, these sessions, the recent designs will be stored here, dear sisters and brothers, and inshallah. So this is all about the homepage of the Canva, and this Three things: the custom size. Inshallah, I'll be teaching you on tomorrow's session how you're going to customize the size according to your own needs. And inshallah, so this Canva, I already told you, it is actually a evolving software, which is an excellent design tool. At least 7 million users are added up every month to this software, because this design tool is actually evolving at its best. So inshallah, hope that you will find this journey very, very excellently put up, inshallah ta'ala, and I'm sure you will have lots of fun through this course, inshallah. You just need to be a little busy for next 15 days, inshallah, because you'll be given homeworks for next 15 days, dear sisters and brothers. Be a little more focused in the class, be a little more interactive in this class, inshallah. Inshallah, then you will be just loving this experience. You will fall in love with this design experience that this Canva software will have to provide for you all, inshallah ta'ala. So yeah, sisters and brothers, inshallah, that would be my promise, that inshallah that you all will actually love this journey of next 15 days, if you will be a bit more attentive, if you are practicing throughout the sessions, and inshallah, yes, sisters and brothers, with much what we say, with much spirit to learn more, let's all be gathered together in tomorrow's session as well. Alhamdulillah, we are done with the very first session of our Canva mastery course, and inshallah ta'ala, from tomorrow's session, dear sisters and brothers, we are just going to head on to the topics of Canva editor page, and inshallah, from tomorrow we are going to start with the introductory designs of the Canva. Inshallah, hopefully that you're hopeful that you all are excited, and inshallah you all will learn so much out of this course, and you all will take so much out of this course, inshallah ta'ala. Yes, inshallah. Let's all be gathered together in tomorrow's session as well to learn so much out of this, inshallah. Jazakumullah khairan, dear sisters and brothers. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.